Hey guys, welcome back. In today's short video, we're going to look at my order from DEK Designs. This was about to ship right before they had to go for their emergency, so it got here yesterday. And it wasn't a big order to begin with, but there's some cool stuff in it, so I'm going to show you that. And then my Amazon haul should have gone up by now, but if it didn't, I ordered these. So Amy from Aim to Plan has these, and I don't know if I ordered the same size as her or not. Let's just take one out. So this is sticker paper. I don't think it's double-sided. I'm willing to sacrifice a sticker to find out. Let's see, I have like extras over here from all kinds of things. So let's use something that I'm not like in love with. These cookie stickers, not so big on these. Alright. Nope, they come off. Because that's Mohawk paper. Okay, so these are reusable sticker sheets. I have absolutely no idea what size these are. Let's... Oh, sorry. Oh dear, don't break the lights. There they go with the water again. Okay. So this is odd. We started at 10. It seems to go to 10 and a half. Like, really? And this goes to 8 1/4. I have absolutely no idea what size sheets I bought. I thought I bought 8 1/2 by 11. But that is not 8 1/2. And that is not 11. So I don't know what I bought. I bought something. So anyway, my idea, which I think is what Amy did with them, I don't really remember. I think she put them in a binder maybe. She might have punched them and put them on discs. I plan to punch them and put them on discs, and then have room for, like, you know, the really big stickers and like my vinyl stickers that I really don't know what to do with. Does anyone else get vinyl stickers like from Happy Planner, or like you order them online because they're really cute and then you have absolutely no idea what to do with them and they just sit around? For example, my little sticker book, like here's a Happy Planner sticker. I got this from Girl Boss Anna. I got this from Happy Planner. I got that from Happy Planner. JoJo, Wild University, Happy Planner. So I don't know what to do with them, so I stick them in here because otherwise I have like stacks of these little plastic bags with vinyl stickers in them and I don't know what to do with them. So anyway, grabbed that off Amazon. It was $29.84 with tax. So that's a lot. And this says on here that it's reusable 5 by 7. These are definitely not 5 by 7, so I don't know what they sold me. There's 100 in here. Where is it? Yeah, there's 100. So, like, I figured I can punch them like this and I can put them on big discs, or I could cut them in half. Maybe that makes them 5 by 7. I don't know. But I think I could cut them, punch them, and then they could go in my little sticker books. I have nowhere to put this. So we're gonna put this over here. Okay. And I'm breaking things. All right. So now on to DEK. So, oops, I did take everything out of the packaging this time. So I got another bunny paper clip. So now I've got 2. I might give one to one of my kids. We got the March free sticker sheet, and this one has really pretty flowers in the background, and it's gold foil. I like that one a lot. And then I got a set of days of the week with like fall flowers on them. So that'll be cool in the fall. Kind of harvesty looking. So those will be neat. So I got a mini kit. It's called Timeless Vogue, right? Yeah, Vogue. I'm not sure. It just like spoke to me for whatever reason. The colors, the flowers. I just really liked it, and it's a mini kit, so it's very small. I just really liked it, so I grabbed it. So at some point, this will end up in one of my planners. But it's really pretty, you know, and it's got like the icons, the washi, the days of the week. It does not come with date dots, and you've got the full boxes and 3 appointment boxes. So this is for one of those like more laid back kind of spreads where you have a lot of white space, maybe a lot of checklists or something, or you can combine it with other things that match. But I like these. I have a couple mini kits. They're pretty cool. And then I ordered, if I can grab them. Okay, so I ordered washi. I probably should have taken the plastic off. Alright, pause the video. We're going to take the plastic off. Okay, so I unraveled them all. So these are the foil underlay boxes, or overlay, or however you want to use them. I had mentioned a while back in a video that Dawn would take like one of these and like cut little bits and just put little bits of sparkly all over her spread. And that's what these are, and they're really cool. Unfortunately, when you buy the bundle, it doesn't tell you the colors. So this is either like a bronze or a rose gold. It might be rose gold. So it's just very, I wonder if you guys can see it that well. Oops. Maybe not because of the lights. Oh, there we go. Okay. So it's just like, it's sparkly and it's on like clear tape, and you can just put it down wherever you want. So, and it's a sizable roll too, so it's not like, these will last a long time unless you're doing like whole strips of them or something. So this is definitely silver. I think this is silver hollow, and these are perforated unless you're a dope like me and you rip them. So you can take off like a box sized one, because they are labeled as underlay boxes. I think that this is silver hollow. If I can get it to show up. Kind of, not really. Maybe we should have put these on black paper. And then there's, oops, they really like to roll back onto the roll, by the way. Just FYI, they really do seem to enjoy that. And then this one is the gold, which looks like, on the roll, because it's all on top of each other, that looks like eye painful gold, right? But then when you take it out, it's not. It's fantastic. And I can totally see like cutting off little bits, you know, little squares or triangles or something, and sticking them somewhere on your spread to make it sparkly. So that was pretty cool. So it's a bundle of 3. You can buy them individually, but I bought the whole bundle, so that was like $17. And then I got this washi because I like it. It's pink, it says Planner Girl, and it's got gold foil. So that's really cute, I like that. So I got that one. So that's the washi and underlay, overlay, however you want to use them, boxes. And then the last thing I got was this kit. So this is a silver foil kit called At Home. And this is another one where I just saw it and I really liked it and I bought it. So there's a lot of roses in this. We've got like a bedroom with, I guess that's a tray with popcorn and a mug on it. And Home Sweet Home. You got a little bent in the mail, but it's okay. It'll flatten out once I put it in my book. And then we've got like Stay Home, Home Sweet Home in the background, and then there's like a sofa and a table, and we got more flowers, and it's all got foil on it. And the silver date dots. And then we've got the day covers, and the washi is really super pretty. I just like love the colors in this kit. And then we've got my little favorite deco boxes. For you people lovers, there are people. And then we've got the usual boxes and the decorative boxes, and they've got bows and it looks like little circles. These down here have stars. And we've got our decorative flags, the scallops, the half circle scallop half boxes, I don't know. And then this is that new smaller version, work stickers, and then all this pretty deco. So you've got candles, lots of florals, cups, pillows, a game controller, and books. So that's really cool. And then we've got the usual 6 3-heart checklist, 5-heart checklist, clipboard, the Monday through Sunday, 3 boxes with the 2 lines of silver on top, and then all the usual words that we get. And these are not the ones with grateful on them. So these are the older words, which is fine. I don't think I've actually used the grateful one yet. And then we've got the headers. This is the older font, so that's why that's not changed. All the same headers we always have. We've got the sparkly glitter strips, the 5 3-heart check list flags, the weekend banner, the scallop, and the 3 two-tone flags, which I'm never peeling up again because I kill them. So like I said, this was like super short. I think if I leave opening the washi in the video, then maybe we might make it to 20 minutes, but once I edit everything out, this will probably be a really quick video for you guys to watch. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.